Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve when x+2, x+3 and x+4 is equals to 990 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So x+2 I can write it as x+3 minus 1. Similarly, x+4, I can write it as x+3 plus 1 is equals to 990. Now, I'm assuming x+3 is equals to 1. Now, I'm going to replace the values. So, I can write it as y minus 1, here y, and here y plus 1 is equals to 990. So y minus 1, y plus 1, y is equals to 990. Here we can use the famous identity, that is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So I can write it as y square minus 1 square, that is 1, y is equals to 990. So if I multiply, so y cube minus y is equals to 990. So y cube minus y, I can write 990 as 1000 minus 1. Now if I'll take all the terms together, so y cube minus 1000 minus y plus, this is 10. Y plus 10 is equals to 0. Now y cube minus 1000 is the cube of 10. So 10 cube. If I take minus sign as common from both the numbers, so I can write y minus 10 is equals to 0. Here y cube minus 10 cube, we can use the identity, that is a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So I can write it as y minus 10 y square plus 10y plus 100, and here minus y minus 10 is equals to 0. Now here I can take y minus 10 as common. So what is left? Y square plus 10y plus 100 minus 1 is equals to 0. Y minus 10. Y square plus 10y plus 99 is equals to 0. Now we have two values. So we have two cases. Case 1. Y minus 10 is equals to 0. That means y is equals to 10. Case 2, y square plus 10y plus 99 is equals to 0. So as we can see, some quadratic equations. So we can write check with b square minus 4ac. So b square is the coefficient of y, that is 10. So 10 square minus 4, a is coefficient of y square, that is 1. And c is the constant, that is 99. So 100 minus 396 minus 296, which is less than 0. So we reject this case. So a value of y is 10. So here we can see that we assume x plus 3 is equals to y. So we are going to replace x plus 3 is equals to y. X plus 3 is equals to 10. So value of x is 7. So there is one value of x, that is 7. I hope it's easy to solve and you find it useful. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.